Fredrik coming at you with another video. Tonight we are in the Bellagio Conservatory. They just changed from spring to summer display. So I wanted to take everyone inside for a glorious 4K video. It's different than I remember from last year, so they definitely added to it. And obviously it's nighttime, so we can appreciate the lighting display that they did as well. They removed all the restrictions in terms of how you walk in and walk out. There's no more velvet ropes. You can just sort of come and go as you please. So that's different. There's people entering from all different sides and all different areas, but we're gonna go in from the other side so we can appreciate the front, the back, and I'm gonna take you on a tour. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, hit that bell button to get notified when I go live, which is 3 times a week, Tuesday afternoons, Thursday nights, and Saturday nights. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can go ahead and do that via Patreon, channel membership, or click on any of the links in the description below. So let's go have a look around the Bellagio Conservatory. I hope you enjoyed that tour of the summer display at the Bellagio Conservatory. I certainly did enjoy it. It is beautiful and it's a must-see if you're here in Vegas. And for those of you who stuck around to the very end, I'd appreciate if you dropped the 9% word of the day in the comments section. That'll let me know that you stuck around to the very end, and it'll let YouTube know that you stuck around to the very end. And that is very important, helps the channel out, helps me out, and it'd be greatly appreciated. Let's have one last look. Absolutely stunning. And on that note, Bror Fredrik out.